Hello everyone, myself Uday Datrak. I'm planning to teach 100 plus web application security issues in just 20 hours. You don't need to have any basic skills, guys. I have already uploaded around 50 plus lessons. I'll be uploading around 100 more lessons, at least one video in a day. You don't have to learn from anywhere, guys. You don't have to pay anywhere. I'll be teaching you everywhere, end to end. I'll make sure that I teach you well in such a way that no other training provider will provide such classes. So we'll talk about another cookie issue, guys. Cookie set secure not set. Like cookie secure, I'll make easier. Cookies secure word not secure. Actually for you I'm writing as word. I'm trying to teach you in an easy approach, guys. That's why cookie secure attribute not set. What does this mean is you need to check the security issues only for the websites which has a login page. If your web application doesn't have the login page, you should not check this issue, guys. And second thing is this security issue needs to be checked only for HTTPS websites, but not for HTTP websites. That what this means is, let me make it more clear. Let's say I'll try to open facebook.com. What it is, like HTTP or HTTPS? This is HTTPS. So you can check this particular issue for this website. But if a website is loaded like HTTP, then you should not check for this security issue on this site. You should not check. I'm writing so that even if you can't understand my accent, you should know this. Okay, you got it? We'll discuss why now. Okay, what is the purpose of the secure word? That means, let's say your website, whenever you enter your username and password, the website will set the cookie, right? In the set the session ID within the cookie, and that cookie will be stored within your browsers, right? That's nothing, that's easy concept. Now the thing is, whenever the website sets the secure word along with the in the set cookie line, that means whenever you send a request to the website, your cookie should be sent only through HTTPS website. Like, in order to make it more clear, for example, now let's say I copied this. There is a website called https://facebook.com. Now you will understand. When you entered username and password, it is setting something like secure word. You can see the secure, right? That means your cookie will be sent only through HTTPS. By mistakenly, next time if you try to open Facebook as HTTP, then your session ID will not be sent to the server, because what we have given is secure. That means this particular session ID should be sent only through HTTPS. If within your network, let's say you are browsing a website over HTTPS, and if an attacker knows that you have an account in Facebook, he will try to send this HTTP within the same network. If the cookie is sent, then he will be able to see the cookie in a plain text. So we are making sure that with the help of secure word, your cookie should be only sent over HTTPS. In just 2 words, it's just the thing. Like, if secure word is set, your cookie will be sent. Cookie means session ID will be sent over HTTPS. By mistakenly, if you try to open HTTP also, then your cookie will not be sent to the server. It's not like server will not process. The cookie itself will not be sent to the server. That is the greatest advantage of having the secure word. Secure word is not for encryption. Secure word is for sending the cookie through HTTPS. So I think you understood, guys, easily now. In order to check that, what is the first thing we have to do? We have to open the login page. We have been checking only for this Uday, so we'll try to use this application only, guys. I have already uploaded the link of to this code in my YouTube comments, guys, so you can check it. Go back to, I recently uploaded, go back to previous posts and see. I am clearing the cookies also here. Now for our convenience, I just want to clear the burp history so that I won't get confused. Now I'll try to log in. Now now what is this website, guys? Sorry, before checking I forgot to tell, right? I told you before, this is a HTTP website. Then I shouldn't be checking this particular issue, not applicable. Assume at this moment, let's assume our application is HTTPS, right? Now what happened? We entered our username and password, and since it is a HTTPS website, definitely within the set cookie it should contain secure word for the session ID beside to the session ID. Was it there anywhere in that line? We'll see when we enter the username and password. No, secure word is not set, guys. We'll search in Google how does it looks like cookie set hyphen cookie secure. I'll go to Google Images to see. Can you see this, guys? Like he's writing in two different lines. That's okay, like secure word. Can you see? For this particular site, I think this should contain only for that particular session ID, guys. Like we need to see here. Here, can you see set cookie? We see something like secure word here, something like that. So since our let's say this, if it is this is an HTTPS application, and if it is not setting the secure word, then it's a security issue, guys. It's very simple. You understood the concept. If you want, we can exploit this in the next level for the better understanding, guys. This is straightforward, like someone already proved it. You don't have to prove anything. You just have to enter the username and password based on the response. By looking at the set cookie line, you can say whether it's an issue or not. That's it. Thank you, guys.